Hey, what's up everyone? If you're using Lightspeed for point of sale, today we're going to connect the two platforms so you can automatically sync your customer data and automate your marketing efforts. First, you want to log into Zapier and create a new Zap. And for the trigger app, we're going to choose Lightspeed. There we go. And for our trigger event, let's go with new customer. All right, so this will kick off the automation whenever a customer is added to Lightspeed. Also, remember to sign into your Lightspeed account. Next, let's select ActiveCampaign as the action app. All right, great. Also remember to sign into your ActiveCampaign account. And then for action event, let's use add or remove a tag from account tag. And you can also go ahead and create your own custom actions. All right, so let's go with add remove tag from contact. And you can also add them to an email list. You can even trigger an automated follow-up email. All right, so we are using add remove tag from contact. We can tag them based on their purchase also. All right, so you can go ahead and configure this and map the data, and then go ahead and test. Make sure that everything is working properly. And then when you're done, go ahead and turn on your Zap. All right, so the possibilities are endless, and Zapier makes it super easy to customize everything without any coding. So once the connection is all set up, it's going to run automatically, and that ensures that every customer interaction is synced with your email marketing campaigns. All right, so if you're new to ActiveCampaign, click the link in the description for a free trial and start automating your customer journey today. I'll see you in the next one.